So this is the assessment here. I don't want to show you too much about the formulas, but I'm just going to break down what you've got to do and give you some hints of the formulas that would work. So formatting, task 1, we've done that with the colors in lesson 1. You will need to type in the discount code, and I recommend using decimals to do this, where it says type in it in cell F2. Merging, we did that in lesson 1. Then it says task 4, type in the fruit into each of the 3 rows. So just want you to type in here like cherry or orange or blackcurrant, whatever fruits you want to pick for your smoothie. Then you're going to do a VLOOKUP to find that from this table. If the fruit costs more than 0.5, then it's not within budget. So just here, use the cost to do a little if formula. All right, show me that you can do these formulas. If it's more than 0.5, then it's not within the budget. We're going to have a budget spreadsheet. Then you're going to sort this fruit menu at the top. All right, so you're going to sort this information, all right, by the price, okay? So I want you to show me the lowest price to the most expensive. Then you're going to sort this table here by cost, work out the total using formulas, and then work out the highest, lowest, and average. So there's a little bit of something in there. Don't forget your formatting, such as your currency. Give that task a go. That is your first mini assessment to test what you've learned.